Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GLBS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that is where these green and red line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. So I'm just going to do a little house cleaning here and get rid of these lines. The chart is, or I should say the market is open for a few more minutes. So yes, right here, you do not need to go to the eye doctor. That candle is still changing. But as far as what I'm going to talk about, I feel confident in calling all these levels, talking about the levels that I'm going to talk about. So the first update is just kind of the establishment of a new overall area of support, and that's down here right around $6.25, which is what I would call kind of the new ideal level. Meaning, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Certainly if the price can stay up here above $6.25. But don't get me wrong, if that level is broken, I'm not saying that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. Because taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, and I believe I talked about this level on Friday, but I definitely want to talk about it again. That is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 625 would be great. However, from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about areas of resistance? Two main levels stand out. The first one being right here at $8.15, which is where the nice kind of late day, not necessarily late day, that was the wrong wording, early afternoon bounce right there happened and was rejected right around 8:15-ish, 8:20. So that'll be the initial level. If the bulls can push up through there, the next key level is just simply where the party stopped this morning. That was right up there around $8.80. So $8.80 is without doubt an area of resistance. But before you start talking about doing battle with that one, then, the first initial level, again, is right up there at $8.10. That'll need to be broken. So all in all, though, great movement, great start to the week, and we'll see if this one can remain volatile and build upon itself as the week plays out. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.